Hey everyone, and welcome back to another Internet Guru. In today's video, I'll quickly show you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Shopify. So, let's get started. First, open the Shopify website and create an account. After creating the account, click on the Settings option and select Apps and Sales Channels. Search for Google in the search bar and click on the Install button above. Click on the Install button again. You'll see a page like this. Click on Connect Google Account and create an account. After creating the account, open the Google Tag Manager website and click on Create Account. Give it a name, select Web, and click Create. You'll see a page like this. Click Yes. Then go back to Shopify, click on Online Store, click on the three icons and select Edit Code. Search for Liquid and copy the code. Paste the code and click the Save button at the top. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from another Internet Guru.